everyone, and greetings from Norway. My name is Svitlana Bulkina, and I'm from Ukraine, but for the moment I'm based in Norway. I'm happy to know that virtual and I'm in Pakistan now. I've been working as an English teacher for 20 years now, and as a teacher trainer for about 13 years. And I love traveling. And I think about 5 years ago, I was lucky to visit Pakistan, an amazing country with beautiful people, and meet Harim. Worked on a SALTA course then, and we've been working on multiple courses. I'm honored to know Harim and know her as an amazing human, a great professional, and I'm really looking forward to working and doing more exciting projects with Harim.